I've been having some problems with my right elbow, and I've been in extreme pain, especially in the morning when I wake up, and it's a certain part of my elbow that spreads the pain all over my forearm. So the doctors couldn't figure out what's going on. So I said, well, I'm going to try this elbow brace. And it's by a company called FCNUSX. Try and say that 5 times fast. But I have no idea what that means. But anyway, I said, well, I'm going to order it and see how it does. So I'm going to take it out of the package for you. I tried it, and let me tell you something, guys. I like this. It comes in a pack of 2, small, medium, or large, and this is what it looks like. Okay, very ergonomic. It feels nice in your hand, and what it does is when you put it on your elbow, it generates heat, and the heat goes to the area that you're having problems with. So that's really good for me. But I really like this because I can wear it all day. I can wear it to bed. It's just a really, really nice product, and I have one on right now. So I'm going to see if I can put my arm in front of the camera without messing up. Okay, and there it is right there. This one might be a little beat up because I've washed it and I've used it quite a bit. But that's how it looks on my arm. I mean, I wear it most of the time, and I don't have any pain, and I don't have to take a bunch of drugs to try and ease the pain. I can just put this elbow brace on and I'll be good to go. But anyway, guys, I'll leave a link in the description for you if you want to check it out. There's also going to be a link in the comments section. But if you've been having some issues, golf elbow, or whatever issues you've been having with your elbow, this is a good product to try. Okay, and with that is your review for today. You guys make it a great day.